See, I was in handcuffs, no one stood by my side. No one to help me prove my charge was a lie. Well, some prosecutor screams I'm a terrible guy, that I'm guilty and I deserve 25 to life. See, I lost my temper and the cop lost his cool. A whole can of pepper spray, man, making me look like a fool. Then he started stomping as I was gasping for air. Already on the ground, man, I don't know, that fight don't seem fair. But with my pain came rage, a light so bright I feel blind. So I reach with my hands, and a rock is what I do find. He stops for a moment, I gather my strength, just enough to swing quickly and put the rock right through his face. And that's how it happened, how he met his fate, and how my left eye got burned out by the pepper spray. Some called me a monster, things got super intense, but I don't think I did nothing wrong, Your Honor, I claim self-defense. Same thing, he never heard nothing or no one in his whole life. They made it seem pretty obvious that I was the one to blame, even my public defender. He didn't have all that much to say. The jury comes back in, I try to look them all in the eyes, try to make them feel like taking another life. It don't make taking the first one right, and I hope that they realize, I hope they truly understand just how sorry I am. Things got so